Good day everyone. Sally to our ransom instructor, Dr. Paulino R. Tagailo. Sir, good morning. I am Ryan Sumino, this ICM intern under the School of Criminal Justice Education. So this morning, we're going to elaborate the parts and function of this manual vehicle. So this is
The primary task
headlight.
of headlights on the car is to
Um,
illuminate the roadway and facilitate
this is
fatigue-free and safe
hood.
driving. The car hood protects the engine and
And,
connected parts from the elements
and
while providing easy access for
this
repairs
is
and maintenance. The rear
mirror
view mirror promotes an alert driving
and
experience by allowing you
this
to see behind.
wheel
Rims hold the
rim.
tires in place and distribute the
Also
weight of the
this
vehicle evenly across the
tire.
tire surface. Tires function to provide traction for acceleration and braking the limits.
So this
Windshield they
is
protect the driver and
windshield.
others in the vehicles
Um,
from debris such as stones,
also
dust, and insects. Lateral
this
windows can
is
help reduce
lateral
blind spots
window.
and improve your driving visibility.
There is
Back window is essential for several
a
persons.
back
It
window.
ensures your driving comfort
This
providing
tail
maximum
lights.
visibility. Tail
Um,
lights are the red lamps of the vehicle.
this
Their
inside
purpose is to ensure you're
and
visible trunk to is others. Useful area with
trunk.
purpose to ensure comfort when
And
transporting luggage
this
and
is
loads. Tip
steep
bumper. These
bumper.
bumpers feature a raised
And
intersection that function as a step for easier access to the cargo bed. And that's all. Thank you.